This is the one you've been waiting for. This beautiful all-brick Georgian was gutted to studs and almost totally rebuilt. Indiana, 2002-3 neutral colors and beautiful hardwood floors throughout the home. Oak kitchen cabinets and built-in seating in the kitchen doubles as storage. Newer roof, windows, furnace, electrical. SUMP on basement is roughed in for another bath. Huge master bedroom. Enjoy your morning coffee or evening drink in the huge backyard. On the patio yard is very private as it has a 6-foot privacy fence all around. Brick 2-car garage, and to top it all off, this property is not located in a flood zone, so you won't have to pay flood insurance. If you're looking to be in a great location, then this is your last stop across from Rhodes Grammar School. Make your appointment and offer today.